What's up, everybody? Josh here at Dynasty. We just wrapped up this 2026 Corvette Z06. We did a full track package and ceramic coating on it. Track package, we did the full front end, bottom of the rockers, and the small portion of the rear bumper. And then up top, we did the mirror caps, the A-pillars, and the whole roof rim because he has a carbon roof, so he wanted to protect that carbon. For the front bumper, we got the lip, canards, and the full front bumper and headlights protected in PPF. We got our fenders and the hood protected in our PPF. After all that was done, we added this decal for him along with the decals right there on the back half. It looks great. He is going to track this car. The reason for him getting PPF, he wanted to protect the paint from getting any rock chips, scratches, gouges, from anything that is going to get thrown at it while it's on the track. So I'm going to get a little walk around video for you guys to show you how everything turned out. And this orange looks incredible. Enjoy the small little clips. We'll see you next time.
This Corvette Z06 isn't just built for the track, it's protected for it. We installed our track package paint protection film to guard high impact areas from rock chips, rubber, and road debris. Then finished it with a ceramic coating for extreme gloss, easier cleaning, and long-term protection. The result? A Z06 that stays flawless at speed and looks incredible off the track. If you're serious about protecting your performance vehicle, call us today at 5702-214-240 or visit dynastyauto-detailing.net.